Matthew 7:7 says, "Ask and it will be given you. Search and you will find. Knock and the door will be opened for you." But have you wondered why sometimes whatever we ask is not given, not able to find, and not able to open it? It's because we are not asking for the right thing, not searching in the correct place, and not knocking at the right door. Dear friends, let's try to ask the right thing, search in the right place, and knock at the right door. And this is only possible if you are in complete union with the Trinitarian God. He will teach you what to ask, where to find, and which door to knock. As we begin this new day, let us ask the Trinitarian God to lead and guide us according to His will. Amen.